Hi guys, welcome to another time of tutorial. So today we'll be doing a birthday flyer. So as you can see, this is a birthday flyer. This is also a birthday flyer. It might look complicated, but it's very simple to do. So let's just go to our Pixel lab. Let's delete this dice here. Today we might be changing our background. No, just leave it. We'll be changing our background that we want to use today. You just scroll here. There are a lot of background that you want to use. I will soon tell you sites where you will download background from. Well, let me just make use of this background that is here. Let me make use of this dice here. Let me delete everything that is on top of the background. So I have my background plain. So after this, what I'll just do is to click on here, this ship side. I want to import my image. So it will take you to images. Let me just make use of this. Just crop it a little. Yeah, this is okay. Let me enlarge it a little. There are a lot of background for you to choose from. If you don't want to use this background, you can use just plain work. Plain work meaning you can just make a plain background and just choose only the color. So that this is okay. Then let me add my shape. Very simple work that I want to do here. Birthday flyer. Just add my shape. Let me make use of a shape here. Let me make use of this shape here. This is okay. Let me just turn it to this side. Then let me just add another shape again. Still that same shape that I added before. Let me just change the color. Let me fill in the color of this. Yeah, this is okay. Just turn it. Then let me reduce it a little. This is okay. So let me add my text. Let me just put I don't even know the date I will write for this person here. Let me just write today is let me just say 2nd August 2022. August 2022. This is okay here. Then so now let me change the font of this. Let me change the font. This font is okay. This is looking okay. Then let me just write my happy birthday. Just arrange your work. And let me lock this image so that it will not be moving. Let me lock you guys. Yeah, it's okay. So let me just write my happy birthday something here. Edit. Happy. Now let me change the color. Let me change the font of this. Hope I'm looking for a fine font for this. This is okay. It's looking okay. Remaining birthday, right? Yeah, this one I will change the color of this a little to suit, to bring out a little beauty. This is okay. Then let me change the font. Let me go to fancy. This is looking beauty. Then what will I put as her name now? Let me add shape. Let me just put shape here. Let me add radius. Shape. Then let me fill in the color. I'm trying to be fast here because of MP. Should I make use of black? This is okay. He says I'm taking my time to choose my color. Same thing that you should do in your own. So let me add my text. Let me just say happy birthday. Let me write any name here. Let me just say Grace. Okay. Let me change this color is okay, but the font is not okay. Just change the font. This is okay. So if there was time, what I would have just basically done here is just to write my wishes down here, like wish you long life and prosperity, or whatever that I want to write there. This is just basically this is already looking beautiful. So this is a birthday flyer.
This is one of the tutorial videos from our basic class. We run both basic and advanced class in graphic design using your smartphone. Our basic class is free and you can join our class today using the link in the description of this video. You can join the WhatsApp group because the WhatsApp group link is in the description of this video. Now, with our basic class, you can design professional logo, 2D cartoon animations, have access to resourceful applications including Pixel app, also have access to over 2,300 fonts. Here is a letterhead designed from the basic class. Here's a book cover. You can also see church program, the flyer for a church program, and also a makeup brand. You can actually do a whole lot. Join the class today. Follow the link in the description of this video. It is absolutely free. Thank you.